If you've never been to the Berkeley Horticultural Nursery in, well, Berkeley, you're missing out. This is probably one of the coolest and most extensive nurseries. They always have so many neat plants, and it's a really fun place to check out. Something that I feel sets them apart is their aquatic plants. They have a pretty large selection, and I don't see too many aquatic plants at other nurseries. I am hoping to make a mini pond in my backyard soon, and when I do, I'm definitely coming back here for some aquatic plants. I also really like their houseplant section in their greenhouse, and honestly, I could just bask in the warmth of this greenhouse. It felt really nice and warm inside, but they also do have a large selection to browse through. Going back outside, you'll find a lot of berry plants and fruit trees galore. It really took a lot for me to resist the temptation to get more fruit trees because they had so many different varieties available. Their plants are neatly organized by plant type, which helps give me some good inspiration for certain parts of my garden. And of course, they had a lot of annuals and perennials and seasonal plants. They have a great pottery section that was also really enticing, but be sure to stop inside the shop because it's full of accessories, soil, seeds, birthday cards, and plant-themed posters, which I definitely want to grab at some point. The Berkeley Horticultural Nursery is definitely worth a visit, and I'd even go out of my way to come here due to their amazing selection.